Liwanag nga pala abutos Manuang dahimakas Matubas Barotac Viejo Was
Good day, I am Midshipman Andre B. Florenconcha, and today we're exploring the gateway to the north, Barotac Viejo, Iloilo. Its story began with the phrase "Baroto sa lutak," meaning boat in the mud. Spanish explorers saw locals struggling with their vessels on the muddy banks. Formally established on August 28, 1854, it was called Viejo or Old to distinguish it from its younger neighbor. Today, the Tamad has turned into a foundation for a thriving first-class municipality. Barotac Viejo is also a cradle of talent. We are the birthplace of Dr. Leoncio de Riada, the father of contemporary West Visayan literature, and Everard Vicente, who composed our municipal hymn. Located 57 kilometers north of Iloilo City, Barotac Viejo covers 185 square kilometers of diverse terrain. It is split into two regions, the highlands, home to the cool peaks of Mount Agumid and the town's reservoir, and the lowlands, where fertile plains meet the Visayan Sea. This landscape is a heaven for biodiversity. In our forest, you'll find the Visayan Tariktik hornbill and the rare Visayan spotted deer. The land is shaded by sturdy Nara and Lumbayao trees, while coastal mangroves protect our marine life. It's a perfect balance of mountain and seas. The heartbeat of the town lies in its fields and waters. Agriculture is our backbone, with the vast hectares dedicated to rice and sugarcane. But as a coastal town, the sea is equally vital. Our fishermen sustain the local economy with a steady supply of blue crabs, milkfish, and shrimp. Recently, ecotourism has also boomed. Sites like Nagpana Falls and local beach resorts don't just offer beauty, they provide jobs for tour guides and local artisans, proving that our natural resources are our greatest wealth. We also take great pride in the indigenous community of Barangay Lipata. As the original guardian of this land, they keep our heritage alive through traditional healing and the intricate art of uway, rattan, weaving. Their resilience is a core part of our identity. Our culture is defined by two major events. Every December, we celebrate the Patubas Festival, a high-energy Thanksgiving for our patubas or harvest. The streets erupt in colors and dance to honor the gifts of the land. In contrast, Holy Week brings the solemn Taltal sa Barotac Viejo. For over 50 years, this live-action reenactment of the Passion of the Christ has turned our hills into a stage for faith, drawing thousands of pilgrims from all over the country. From its legendary boat in the mud to the heights of Mount Agumid, Barotac Viejo is a place of deep roots and bright futures. It is more than just a gateway to the north. It is a destination with a soul. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my home, Barotac Viejo.
Ang tahimakas, pagtuwa